quick 10 gigahertz transmit receive hack and test. So I've got the ADALM-Pluto. That's our transmitter and receiver. And taking advantage of the third harmonic of the Pluto. So I've got SDR Angel running, and we're transmitting at 3.456 gigahertz. Got an AM modulator sending code. So we come out, transmit here. We're going through 2 of the mini circuits VHF 7150 plus filters. That knocks down the 3.456 gigahertz pretty far down and lets the 10.368 gig come out. We're going to a very fancy stub antenna here. And then I'm using the guts of a bullseye LNB right here. That's my receiver. That's my LNB down converter. And we've got a bias T. That runs into the receive port. And again, on SDR Angel, we've got the receiver running at 618.25 megahertz, and it's receiving the Morse code.